everyone! So we found our first little figure. You may all notice this little guy. And also if you haven't watched the film Pikachu, I haven't either. But he's cute. Mummy says he's old, but Mummy says he's new, but he's actually quite old. He is super cute.
Well, apparently it's supposed to be a mouse, but I don't think it looks like a mouse.
No, it's got...
It looks like Pikachu.
It's got the lightning tail. It's really cute, this.
It's got some nice detail on it, hasn't it?
And this could be like, if I could get up there, it's a chair.
Don't sit on the mouse.
He's super cute. So, yeah.
Shall we go find the next one?
I thought it was a bunny, to be fair. Let's go find the next one. Okay. Oh,
I think it's up there.
there is...
I think it's up the hill.
Okay.
Off we go.
Off we go.
Oh, I see something up there, look.
Me too. No, I don't.
That board.
Oh, yeah. The board, but I'm not sure it's
Oh,
showing.
go up there. See
Oh,
what you
oh
can
yeah, I
see.
see it, I see it, I see it. I see it. Look. This is someone from the past.
The little witch.
The little witch. She's cute too. I always get terrified of this one. I'm afraid she gets alive, but the culturing. Yeah. She's cute. I like her. There we go. And then this is our by the little witch. Cute. Let's go find the next one. Wait, is it up this way?
I think so. Yeah, I think it is.
Well, I love this. This is so cool.
Nice and shady as well, 'cause it's hot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's super hot today.
Like a little explorer.
I can't see another board just yet.
Well, that's the idea. You're supposed to look for them, aren't you? Find them. There's a bench up there, which means there must be something.
There must be. So the brave explorer kept on walking until she gets to the end.
And what's at the end? Can you remember?
The dragon.
And what else do you like sitting in?
Well, no, I won't tell you. Okay, well, it's a fairy tree. It's got like a little place where you can sit and take photos.
It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
It is it. Yeah, it's
Carved
just,
into a real tree, isn't it?
yeah, it's actually made out of a real tree, which I find really cool. And last time, it looked like they were making another one.
Maybe we'll find another one when we get there. That'll be a part of the adventure.
I
won't
think
it?
I see a board.
Oh, you're right. All the way up there.
Whew, I'm already starting to get hot. My legs are already burning. I don't mean like burning. I mean like I've got sunscreen on. I see a board. I see a board. Who is it? Who is it? I'm excited.
It is exciting. Oh, there's that tree that you sat on once. The big branch.
Oh my goodness. Where?
Over there.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, I used to. So, there's no character.
There it is. Found it.
That's not a carrot. Oh,
It's the witch again.
another witch. Yeah.
Oh, wait, no.
No? All these are made out of trees, which I find really cool.
This one is called the Hooded Figure.
She's cool. I like her.
Oh, isn't it? And that's the tree that you sat in that time.
Yes. It is.
Should I pop you on it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm scared. I just get hate. Oh.
You on?
Yeah, I'm on, but I'm scared. I'm scared I fall. No, please. Please. Ah!
Like a swing.
So it's a wood ring. Swing.
Is it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Until we see the next figure.